What is going on, you guys? What are we at? Day 41? I'm on the ball. I'm always on the ball anyway. But today I'm even more on the ball. Anyways. Jeez. Okay, so let's get into it. We had a good weekend. A lot of information, learning, a lot of, Sunday was a good chat we had. Today, we just keep going with that. Saturday, weekly analysis. We're good to trade all week. We did speak about Wednesdays, but that'll come on Wednesday. We won't have to worry about that right now. But let's get into what we can look for today. Market's opening pretty soon, actually, in 13 minutes. 13 minutes market open. So, what we can look for is maybe longs today. I don't actually know 100%. We're going to have to look at that. Let's see. We'll get into it. Command Shift 5. Record. It's going now. So, price is pushing up right now. But let's start marking out some things here. What we can see. Let's go to the 4-hour. Look at the highs here. Highs and lows here. We're making higher highs, higher lows, higher high. Maybe we make a higher low. Could be here. Still would count. And if we keep going, I don't want to talk like this much longer because I'm a robot when I talk like that. But anyways, let's just let's pump into it. So we had market open Thursday, Friday, Sunday at 6 p.m. All right, we opened here. So let's start marking out some things. We have let's go to the 1 hour to do this. I just wanted to, okay, so we have, I don't like that, how it does that. Yeah, I gotta fix that. That's gotta be fixed. Oh my goodness, we're not doing that. We have, this is Asian. That's our high. Asian session high. And we have our Asian session low. That's the wrong one. We have our Asian session low. Oops. Okay, perfect. We can see, it's weird on the 1 hour. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher. Now we're pushing through. Actually, we're sweeping Asian high right now with London. So that could be something to look at. Let's see. Let's keep marking. Asian session high, Asian session low, blah 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 blah. Then we have our London high, which is it's not going to be there because this is still London session. So our London low would be here. London session low. I found I like this better, doing it like this, because it's not as confusing as the big lines through it every time, because we can see, that's swept and then keep going. Instead of the full lines through, it was really pissing me off. And I know it was kind of pissing everything else off. But let's just keep bouncing away with it. We see a fair value gap right here. That is closed above. Now we're going to push through. So even if we were to take a long here, it'd be a good idea. But I want to wait for one of these to be swept. So we are going to use these for, our swing high. Our swing high is here and our swing low is here. So we can look for, internal liquidity is all in here. This is probably going to reverse down to here to London session low or even Asian low and then go back up. So But I don't know, really. We'll just have to look because there's a lot going on here. And this is weird price action right now. Because we inversed this, and then we tapped into it again. Now we're pushing big time, actually. Is there any news this morning? I'm pretty sure there was none because we spoke about it yesterday. But no, we're good. There's a Canadian bank holiday, but it doesn't affect us at all because we're trading with the U.S. dollar, and U.S. links to everything here. You know what I mean? So we don't got to worry at all. Anyways, let's keep going. Sorry, I'm distracted here. I gotta relax. So we have a low here. We have a down, up. That's a low. That's a high. That's a low. This is a high. We have, that's a low. Jesus, this is weird, eh? And then we have down, up, that's a low, that's a high. We don't need to worry about highs, we just need to worry about the lows because we are in an uptrend. So up, down, that's a low. Down, up. This is a low. Okay, yeah, we're good. Let's just wait for that, really. So we can kind of get an understanding of, well, let's have a look here. Like this fair value gap. Oh, it's not a fair value gap. That is it's a bearish imbalance right here. That we push all the way up through it anyway. It wasn't even. It was kind of tapped into. Push right through it already. And then we created this imbalance right here, which is currently a strong push out of it already. This is when I would take a trade for a long. But we have New York open, so I would not see why it would reverse. And this isn't closed yet because we opened in 5 minutes. So this could possibly come back down anyway within these next 5 minutes. So that's why we wait for the bigger movements. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. You know exactly what I'm saying. So let's just, but you said we had that little, what's it called? This guy here again? A doji. And then, I noticed a lot of these happen. 2 little small dojis, then the answer. So we can see that, you know, we're creating bullish pump so we can look for some lows to be swept. Or even highs to be swept. You know, come down, take out this, or we already took out the high, but we want to take out the low. So even if, you know, we took it out, but didn't close there, came up like this, you know, maybe here, and then went again. So maybe price can come down like this, wick through all of it, close here, start a new candle, you know, close here, new candle, close here, and then we'll go. That'll take a few hours, so we'll have to set our hands, but that might not be the case. We'll see. We could just keep it pushing through, and if that's the case, we'll look for imbalances here. So there's 2 imbalances right here that if we can maybe get some type of pressure or buying power, then that can work out. But these are just when these prices are hit. So basically we can just wait. Market open now in a few minutes. So yeah, let's just see for today, and let's just see what happens, and I'll get back to you later. And Yeah, fuck, I don't know. We're bullish. We know we're bullish because we inversed that bearish fear value gap here, and then we respected this one. So there's buying power within this area in the 1 hour. In the 4 hour, there's not much really to play with. It's all just, you know, chop, 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 chop. But we'll wait for price to develop, and then we'll see. We did take out Asian high. London took out Asian high, and then we'll probably open here, and maybe the rest will play itself out. We'll see. But yeah, that's going to be all, and I'm going to get back to you guys later because I need to see how this plays out. So I'll see you guys in the charts later for day 41. Let's pass this, fucking fund it. Let's do it. Figure it out. See you later. What's up, you guys? Hold on. Let me pop this up. So, I'm not feeling very good today. I don't know what happened to me, but my head's killing me, and I don't know, I just feel sick. My stomach's bad, and I'm just gonna go to bed now. Anyway, so this isn't even gonna be, this is gonna be the end of the video. I didn't trade today. I was gonna take a trade, but unfortunately, I just didn't. But it's okay. Maybe we can talk about tomorrow. Just right now, I cannot. Unfortunately, yeah, I'm not able to right now. Well, I am able to, but let me just talk about it. Price came down, swept out Asian session high, sweeped it, went back up. That's what I wanted to happen. It actually came down and took out all these highs. Anyways, we'll talk about it tomorrow, but I hope you had a good night, and I hope you hit your trade. Yeah, I got some weird headache, migraine kind of thing going on. I can't keep my eyes open. So I'm going to end it here, upload this, and then we'll chat tomorrow. I'll feel fine tomorrow. I just need to get some sleep. That's about it. So take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you did good today. I hope you did great today. So see you tomorrow for day 42 or 41. I don't even know. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow.